welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna do a deep clean of my fridge, and I have been posting a lot of TikToks. Actually, I've been posting every day on TikTok, so if you want to see like daily vlogs, routines, unboxings, I do a lot of those videos on TikTok just because if it's just like one item to unbox, it's just a lot easier to do it on TikTok than make like a whole video on it. I post there every day. I've been really into filming my routines. To me, those are the videos I like to watch on TikTok. Like, they're super satisfying, like whether it be just like daily routines or ASMR routines are like my favorite. One huge benefit for me watching those videos and now creating those is it's super motivational to me, because there are a lot of days when I need to clean, but I just don't have the motivation to. So making those videos and just seeing them on TikTok really actually make me feel motivated to do the same. I figured I would film one for YouTube, a more in-depth kind of talking video. On TikTok, they're usually pretty quick clips, so it's not really super detailed. Like I said, we are going to be cleaning out the fridge, and honestly, it's been a while, and I'm talking like a deep clean of the fridge because, you know, we clean up here and there, but it's been a while since I like pulled everything out and cleaned everything. That's what we're gonna do today. This is what the fridge looks like. I also highly recommend to do a fridge, like a deep clean fridge clean out before you go grocery shopping, so your fridge is like a little bit more empty. So we are going to empty this out and start cleaning. Also, one more thing, if you guys have, I'm also cleaning this part right here, so this piece is missing. If you guys have a fridge that has an alarm, turn that off. So for the sake of this video, just because I am filming and it's gonna take a little bit longer than normal to clean, I'm actually gonna leave like the milk products and here on the sides. So while I clean this area, I'll leave the condiments in the sides. For these, I'm gonna take out the drawers. And these actually come out, so I'm gonna wash these, but these are glass and you don't want to use hot water on these or they will shatter. So either use cold water when washing them or lay them out like while you're cleaning the rest of your fridge to let them get to like room temperature. I'm just gonna use dish soap and cold water with it and then spray it down. This is gross, like all the food juices and stuff everywhere. This is the best dishwashing soap. Super easy to use. I just spray it on here. I'm gonna leave it on here for like a few minutes because this is like gross food on here. The soap kind of just dissolves all the food gunk. That's why I just let it sit for a little bit. Take my Scrub Daddy, start scrubbing. I dried those off. I'm just gonna let them dry for a little bit. I'm just going to spray with my Thieves like all-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna do the drawer and then the top that won't come off. And then also while I'm at it, I'm gonna spray down the sides of the fridge with the same Thieves spray. I'm pretty sure I could take out this glass, but I'm just going to spray it down since the drawer sits on top of it. Oops, I wasn't recording, but I am putting back the shelves now. Wrong way. All the shelves are super clean. Okay, so now that the shelves are clean, I'm just going to rearrange all of the food, get rid of anything that's expired or outdated. I also got some containers from HomeGoods to kind of organize my fridge. I only got a few, so I definitely think I need a lot more, but I just wanted to play around like with what sizes worked. So let me show you those. So I got this one, which I think is a little bit too long for my fridge, so I don't think this one will work. I got this one for like drinks or snacks. And then I got a couple smaller ones. The sticker wouldn't come off on this one. But these are a little bit shorter, so I think these will work in our fridge. These do work out. I'm probably gonna need to get a bunch more to organize it, but we're just gonna test it out today. So this is everything that we need to organize and put back in the fridge. So I'm just gonna put the milk products in the fridge so they don't get bad. I'm going to wash these because look how dirty it is. So I'm just gonna wash these in the sink. That about wraps it up for my fridge. Nice and organized, much cleaner. Okay, so I definitely like these containers. These ones fit. I just think this looks a little bit nicer storing the dog's food than just having it everywhere. This one fits perfectly under this like weird short area, so I'm using this for like leftover stuff that just looks ugly placed everywhere in the fridge, so it's easy to kind of pull out. So I'm wondering if I can get a second one to fit here, but I really like these containers. It's just easier to kind of pull everything out. Last thing we're gonna do to kind of clean up the fridge area, I gotta go get this to put back on, but we're gonna clean the outside of the fridge. This back on. Ta-da. Before we do the stainless steel, I'm just going to spray my thieves on here and just clean this part that's not stainless steel. Now the rest we're gonna spray with stainless steel spray. This stuff is the best. So you just spray it everywhere. And then you're gonna wipe in the direction of the fridge, like the grooves. What? Direction of, you'll see it. Then the last thing you want to do, open your fridge and wipe down the inside. Super shiny. So that wraps it up for the deep clean of my fridge. Now I would probably say I do this maybe once a month just because you want to like clean up all the food spills and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this kind of video. I actually really enjoyed making these types of videos because this is like stuff that motivates me and things that I just have to do. If you guys have any cleaning tips or hacks, please let me know, because anything that makes cleaning easier, I need to know. Does anybody else feel like this? Like, I just feel like it's nonstop cleaning all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!